Hi, welcome to RAR Math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on exponential and linear problems. For this one, it says Matt's company made a profit of $5,650,000. Matt predicts that his company will have a profit of $8 million in 2015. Find the formula for Matt's profit with a yearly growth factor. So growth factor, those are words that means exponential. And if Matt is correct, what is the profit prediction for 2025? Okay, so here we have an initial and a final. Notice that this is written all out. This just says 8 million. I like smaller numbers, so I could make this 5.65 million, and then my numbers are equal in type. They match each other. I start with 5.65 million, I multiply by some factor, and I get to 8 million. Notice right now I'm just doing the basic 4-year factor. If I divide by 5.65, I get that A is equal to 1.4159. Doesn't really matter what's written here. When I do this calculation on my calculator, I will not clear it out. I will just do my manipulations from there. So this was a 4-year, and I want to go down to a 1-year. So I want a fraction of the time. So I take 1.4159 to the 1/4. And if I do this, I get that my multiplication factor is 1.091. So my formula, profit over time, we start at 5.6 million and we grow by 1.091 to the t. Now, if you had started off with 5,650,000, A equals 8 million, after the first division problem, this number would have been the same, and then this all would have been the same. The only difference would be the initial value we started with. So using the small numbers isn't actually changing anything except making the equation easier to handle. Okay. The next question asks, oh, I forgot my 5. Sorry. The next question asks, what's the prediction for 2025? So 2025 minus 2011, always remember this equation is since 2011. So we're really asking what's the profit 14 years after the beginning. So profit after 14 years is 5.65 times 1.091 to the 14. And when we throw this into the calculator, I get 19.125. I get more than that. And here's the deal. I could multiply my calculator by 1 million and get a really specific number. But that 5.65 million isn't precise. The rest of the numbers aren't zero. And the 8 million is a non-exact number. So these aren't exact numbers. So suddenly switching to an exact number isn't really appropriate. So I am going to say, if Matt is correct, I mean, we're predicting, is correct, his company will make 19 point, and I could do 125, I think I'm going to do 19.12, 13, because this is 2 decimal places, so our level of specification is 2 decimals. We could go to 3 because this wasn't exact, but these are all rounded numbers, so we'll go to 2 decimal places. $19.13 million in 2025. So this rounding couldn't go more than 3 because that is the most significant digits we have. I went down to 2 to match this one. I could have gone to 1 because there's a lot of rounded numbers going on here. But the whole point is I shouldn't take this all the way out. It's not appropriate. It's a prediction. That's it. All right. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks.